Welcome to one of the most extraordinary homes to hit the market. A rare waterfront retreat where privacy, nature, and luxury converge in the perfect harmony. This breathtaking property delivers a park-like sanctuary unlike anything else you'll find. From the moment you arrive, impeccable, professional landscaping sets the tone for the exceptional home that awaits. Step inside and discover a private office with elegant French doors and custom built-ins, while the dramatic living room commands attention with a stunning fireplace and sweeping water views that stop you in your tracks. The warm hearth room with stone fireplace flows seamlessly into the beautifully updated chef's kitchen, featuring quartz countertops, custom tile backsplash, beverage center island, and walk-in pantry, with direct access to your outdoor entertaining oasis just beyond. The primary suite is nothing short of a 5-star retreat, complete with a bay window sitting area, dual vanities, custom walk-in closet, tile shower, and a large jetted jacuzzi tub. Upstairs offers 3 additional bedrooms, including one with its own private bath. And the walkout lower level is an incredible bonus space featuring multiple flex rooms, a private guest suite, and its own fenced patio. Outside, a 2-level Trex deck, pergola, grilling and dining areas, and a stone fire pit created ultimate backyard escape. This is more than a home, it's a lifestyle. Call Brandon Stone today because a home like this won't last long.